In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online by simply creating and selling Canva templates in 4 simple steps. People all over the world are making thousands of dollars a day by simply doing this. And the best part about it is that it's easy for complete beginners to also get started. In fact, you don't need any specialized skills or any years of experience doing this. So if you're looking for a great way that you can create passive income for yourself by creating a product once and selling it over and over again, keep watching this video. Let me show you how to do it. Step number 1 is that you need to come up with a digital product idea. Now, I'm going to link to another video up here that shows you 10 digital products that you can actually create. But in this particular case, we want to create a digital product that people can download or access as a template. But in general, templates that you can create include stuff like ebooks, checklists, PDF guides, social media graphics, slideshows, etc., etc. And the way that you can turn this into a real business is that you can create one of these or all of these and use them to solve specific problems that people have out there. For example, a lot of people know that they need to create content for their businesses on social media, but they don't know what they need to post. So you can actually create Canva templates that they can simply just access, change a few details, download to their computer and start having content that they can be posting on social media. So the main key takeaway there is that you need to find a problem that you can solve through a template on Canva. And just in case you're thinking, but Marshall, I've never used Canva before and I've got no experience in doing this, you actually can pay someone else to actually do this for you. And they can create some great products for you that you can start selling immediately. And now, obviously, I'm going to try and make this video as short and straight to the point as possible. But for a more in-depth training, just to let you know, I've got a 5-day challenge, which is called the Digital Product Breakthrough Challenge, where I help people from around the world to start their own online businesses selling digital products. Now, this challenge is going to be happening in the next few days. And in this challenge, I'll be showing you how to find a digital product idea. Number 2, how to actually create the digital product, whether you want to do it yourself or pay someone else to do it for you. Then on day 3, I'll show you how to actually create a website so that people can come and buy your product whilst you are sleeping and from any part of the world. Then day number 4, I'll show you how to find customers who want to buy your product. As long as you create a product that solves the problem, there will be many customers such that you're just seeing money coming into your account on a daily basis. Then day number 5, I'll show you how to create a complete business with multiple products so that you can be getting income from multiple streams. Now, this challenge is not going to be for free. At the date of recording this, is currently going for $37, but the price keeps going up with every new challenge that we do because we do these challenges every 6 weeks. So click the first link that you see in the description of this video or scan the QR code. Go directly to my website to find out more details about the challenge and register for it today so that I can help you to finally build your own online business that will help you to make passive income every single day. I want to see you there. Now, back to finding your digital product idea. Once you're clear on what type of product you want to create, the next step is for you to simply jump into Canva and start creating. Okay, so as you can see, I'm inside of Canva. Canva is a free tool that anyone can use from around the world. I'm going to put a link in the description. You just simply need to go to the link in the description and register for a free account. I'm not going to show you how to do that step by step because it's so simple. Enter your email address and you get access to the same dashboard that you're seeing me with right now. And as you can see, this is where I design almost everything that has to do with graphic design, whether it's the designs for my YouTube thumbnails or just some other digital products that I am also creating. But the way that Canva works is that you have got this search bar at the top here that is asking you simply what do you want to create, or you can also click right here at the top where it says create. But for now, I'm just going to come in here and let's say I want to create an ebook template, right? A template that people can use to design their ebook covers. So I can just simply type in there and just say ebook cover like this. And then I'm just going to search for ebook cover. And then what it will do is that it's going to show me a lot of different ebook covers that have already been created in advance for me. So the first thing that you need to note is that right here, you can start off by creating a blank ebook cover, right? Blank means that you're starting from scratch, but the other option is for you to choose any one of these. And you'll notice that some of them have got this tag here, which says Pro. Right? Pro simply means that it's a feature that you need to pay for. Some of these templates you need to pay for them, but a lot of them, they are actually for free. I personally use the paid plan because it gives me a few extra features, but as a complete beginner, you can start off with the free plan. You don't need the paid plan. For example, I'm just going to come here where there's this one at the bottom which says time management. I'm going to click on this and then I'll come here to the right where it says customize this template. Then I'll just click on customize this template. And then as you can see here, I now have got an ebook cover that I can redesign and make a few changes so that it just becomes mine. And to show you how simple and easy it is to make changes to this, for example, I can just click here and I can just press delete on my computer. And as you can see, the background image has already changed. If I want to insert a different image at the back there, I can find another background image that I can use. For example, there's this website that I use where I get free images that I can use for anything. I'm just going to type it and say pexels.com. And this is where I download images for free that I can use on my websites, on my designs, anything. So I'll just come here to the top and then type and say computer. And it's giving me some ideas there. Maybe I'm just going to say computer desk. Then as you can see, I get these beautiful images that pop up, like this one right here at the top. I like this. I'm just going to click on download there. And then it's going to download to my computer. Then I'll just look for another one, maybe this other one here, and click on download on this one as well. And then I'll just choose to use one of those. Then what I can do is that I can then come back to Canva. And because I've already downloaded those images to my computer, I'm just going to drag them like this. Here's the first one, which I already like the way that it looks. And can you see it just aligns to the center there? And then I can just move my mouse to the corner over there, and then just drag this like this, and then drag this other one like this as well. And then basically I'm just going to design this the way that I like it. Normally, I just like to make a few changes so that it doesn't look like the original that I found in Canva, because people can rather just go to Canva and use the templates from there. But I just want to have like a special design. And that's the reason why people are going to be buying from me, because it's my own unique design. So also, if you want to change the text like this, where it says time management, I can change this and just tell people, like, I can change this and just give people instructions and just say something like your title here, right? And then I'll change this one and say your subheading here, so that it's clear to people that, okay, this is where I'm meant to put what details. And then I'll also change here where it says Olivia Wilson to your name here, right? So that it's just clear and straightforward to what people need to do. So I'm not going to spend too much time on designing this, making the perfect thing. But as you can see, now I have got a design. And then I can also come here at the top and just change this and just change the title to, for example, just say ebook cover design 1, right? So that's my design right there. And then now, in order for me to be able to sell this and people to get access to this so that they can start editing it, what I then need to do is that I need to come here at the top where it says share. I'm going to click on share. And then I am going to come here where it says CO. And then I'm going to click here where it says template link. But before I click on that, you'll notice that it also has got a crown over there, which means that it's actually a paid tool that you need to use. So before, this was actually free for anyone to use, but as I am seeing it now, it's got this crown. It means that only the people who are using the paid plan can actually use this feature. So anyway, I'll just show you how much it costs right now to use Canva on the paid plan, and then I'll just discuss with you whether it's worth it or not for you to actually pay for that plan. But you're just going to click here where it says template link, and then as you can see right here, it's just going to take a few seconds to generate. And then I'm going to click here where it says create template link. And just like that, link has been copied to the clipboard. I can copy here. This is the link here. And when I share this link, like let's say I open in a new tab like this, and then I just paste it there, this is what people are going to see. A template created by Marshall Malava was shared with you. Start designing now. Someone will click where it says use template for new design. They won't see this edit template. I'm seeing it because this is on my account, but then they'll just see where it says use template, and then they can then start using the template and start designing it inside of Canva. Now, when it comes to the price of Canva, you can also just go to canva.com/pricing to actually see the pricing. As you can see, the free plan is $0, and my price is currently set in rands because I am living in South Africa. The main plan, which is the Canva Pro, if you pay for the whole year, it's just 900 rands. But then you can also just flip here. Can you see it's currently on yearly? If I just change it here to monthly, you'll see that it's just 110 rands that you'll be paying every single 31 days or per month. And so mainly you're going to be choosing between these two plans. And trust me, if you really are taking this business seriously, you might as well just go and sign up for the Canva Pro plan because it really is worth it. I enjoy using it. It helps me to do a lot of things, and probably I'll do another video explaining the main difference between the two. All right, so now that you have got the template link, the next thing that you want to do is that you want to make it simple and easy for people to be able to access the template. You don't want to be sharing some long link that people can misplace easily. So what I recommend that you do is that using Canva again, you're just going to create another PDF document where you're just going to write a thank you message. For example, in my case, I'll just say, as Marshall Malaba, I just want to thank you for making this purchase. Thank you for showing your loyalty as a customer, whatever the message is going to be like that. But then I'll then put a button where that says, please click on this button to access your template. It's just going to be a nice button, like a red button with download template written on it. Then people will click on that. And inside of that button, I will put the link to the template itself so that people don't have to deal with this long link, but they can just click on the button. Then automatically it's going to open up the new page that says that, hey, you can now access your template over here. And then the next question is that now that I have got this template and I've created this short PDF that gives people access to the template, where do I host all this so that people can actually go and find out details about the product and then buy it? There are two methods that I recommend. The first one is the general method, and then the second one is my number one recommendation for anyone who wants to do this. So the first one is that you can use marketplaces, and I'll give you examples. You can use a platform like Etsy, you can use Gumroad, and there are a few other ones if you just simply do a Google search. But the reason why I wouldn't recommend these two methods, though they are free, is that everyone around the world who is actually doing digital products is using those platforms, and they actually have got a marketplace, meaning that all the people around the world who probably have got products that are similar to yours are there selling the same product as you, which means that there is massive competition there. As someone who wants to buy whatever solution you're offering will be exposed to so many different products, and chances are that they'll probably buy from someone else who has been doing this for a longer time as you, and so that's why I wouldn't recommend you using those marketplaces. The second option is for you to simply create your own website where you can list out your digital products. People can come there and they only buy what you show them, meaning that there's no competition on your website, and you can list as many products as you want and all the sales will be 100% going to you, as compared to using those other marketplaces where you need to give them a percentage of the sales. Now, I'm going to link to another video right here, which will show you step by step how you can create your own digital products website. This will work for you also if you're a complete beginner, but you're going to be using a special tool that will allow complete beginners to be able to make their websites in just a couple of hours. So make sure that you check out that video. I'm also going to link it in the description of the video. And then the last and final question that you might have is, how do I stop people from stealing my ideas and then maybe just reselling them or sharing them with other people for free? The honest truth is that when it comes to digital products, it's very hard for you to track and make sure that your products are logged such that no one else steals your idea or uses your content without your permission. But what I will say is that the percentage of people who actually do that is actually quite little, because not many people are trying to buy a product to recreate it. But most people are buying a product because they just want to use it to get a specific result. Yes, you can set up copyright licenses. Yes, you can lock up your content on a platform, which I actually teach people how to do. But once someone has got access to that content, you cannot really monitor what exactly they're doing with the content. And from my experience, I've sold thousands and thousands of digital products. To be honest, you end up really not caring whether people steal your stuff or not, because the reason why people will buy from you is because you're creating a great product. And when people actually start recreating your stuff, it means it's a compliment to you, because it shows you that what you are making is actually of value. So don't worry too much about that. Only focus on you creating something that's valuable to people and getting sales. Once again, if you want me to help you to actually create your own digital products, please remember I've got a 5-day challenge which is going to be happening in the next few days. The link is in the description of this video, or you can scan the QR code that you're seeing on your screen right now. Join me as I teach you live how to create digital products, how to build your own website, how to find customers, and how to scale your business so that you're making thousands upon thousands of dollars every single month by simply creating and selling digital products. Let me know in the comment section which digital product are you looking forward to creating for yourself. And if you found value in this video, please show your support just by hitting the like button. And also, if you're not yet a subscriber, you know what to do. Please hit the subscribe button so that we can take up this channel to 200,000 subscribers. I really would appreciate that. And you also might be interested in checking out this video next, which will show you the fastest way to create your own store where you can sell your digital products. See you there.